Control number 42484, please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Feby Grace Sabinorio, 31 years old, and I am married with 2 kids, both girls, 7 years old and 5 years old. I am the youngest in the family, and I have 2 sisters.
What is your educational attainment?
I am a college level at Western Leyte College in Ormoc City, taking up Bachelor in Science in Secondary Education.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money and to sustain the needs of my family.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
No, but I have an experience here in Philippines for almost 5 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes,
What can you do for elderly?
changing diapers, giving food, giving medicines.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes,
What can you do for babies?
play with them, changing diapers, taking bath.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
I can cook.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Filipino food like adobo, caldereta, and fried rice.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am a loyal, trustworthy, and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I ask for an apology and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me like a family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Madam and Sir, if you will choose me to be your domestic helper, I promise to do my duties and to serve you as long as I can be and serve you for 2 years and or more. Thank you.